everyone, welcome back. Today we are making two bowls, a flower bowl and a fruit bowl. So let's get started. I am planning to do two bowls today, and one of them is going to be using fruits and the other one is going to be using flowers. These flowers I got from my backyard, and I only have these three colors, which is yellow, pink, and a really dark shade of pink. And then we have some leaves. These leaves are known as moringa leaves. These leaves are very good for health, and I thought of putting it in my bowls so it could look very colorful. Here's a plate full of fruits. The first one is grapes, mango, pomegranate, banana, and orange. And in the middle we have some moringa leaves. Here are some roses and some moringa leaves on the outer. First, we sprinkle some flowers and fruits into our bowl of water. Try sprinkling it on the outer, not in the middle. Here is our bowl, and I'm just going to put some water on the outside for the leaves to go in a little bit. Next is our fruit bowl. I'm going to keep the flower bowl and the fruit bowl in the freezer for a day. Here is our fruit bowl. I took off the top bowl and it looks so pretty. I'm going to rub the outers so it looks a little smoother. Next is our flower bowl. I also forgot to mention why I put two bowls in the middle. So the first bowl is used for making the inner shape of the bowl, and the second bowl is used for putting some weight in it so it makes a perfect little bowl. Our flower bowls are done. The ice bowls are ready. It looks so colorful. I can't wait to eat it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And last, don't forget to hit the notification button for more updates. Thank you for watching.